Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today's video is the most amazing, most blissful video for me to share with you guys. That is my skincare routine. I'm Abhinya Menon, your personal stylist, image consultant, and a certified makeup artist as well. So let me tell you a few things about my skin. I'm 31 years old. I'm the verge of being, looking aged within few years, and I take care of it, like the anti-aging process. I use those, and then my skin is dry. It has few combination sector here where it gets a little oily. In today's video, there is no filter, no makeup on my face. The only thing which I'm wearing as a makeup is a lipstick and eyebrows, nothing else. It is absolutely filter free, the video, because I really want you guys to know the reality. It's not like, yeah, I'm putting a lot of makeup and then showing you, okay, this is my face or this is my skin, because I have to be real with you. I should be real with you, to be honest. So yes, we'll start with the morning and then proceed to the night routine. So my skincare is the most doable, most simplest since skincare video, and the best part is the products mentioned here will be all there in the link. All the links will be there in the description box. If you really like the certain product, you can go and buy it for yourself. All the products are very much of a medium range with respect to pricing. They are not very highly priced, because मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि if it is too expensive, people might not continue for a long period. Even for myself, I will think twice before buying, a very expensive product again and again and again, because they come in a very small quantity. So we have to manage our budget and the skincare and everything in the household. So आप उधर ही invest करिए जहाँ आपको लग रहा है कि आप इस चीज़ को continue कर पाओगे throughout life. So my skin was not like this. During my school and college days, it was tan, it was pigmented. I don't have any pictures, but yes, it was not like this, which I'm very sure about. So how this thing changed, it is all thanks to a good skincare routine plus a diligent use of sunscreen. Like I'm using sunscreen diligently without fail every single day for like past 5 years. So that made a huge change on my skin. It is more bright, it is much more clear, non-pigmented. So all these things is done by the sunscreen. So अगर आपको लाइफ में कोई एक चीज अपनी स्किन केयर रूटीन में रखनी है, don't use anything else but use a good sunscreen, and I am telling you, your skin will thank you. So thank you for tuning in. If you feel like that my thoughts resonate with yours, do subscribe to my channel, and the next video would be my hair care routine. So you can subscribe and you will get a notification for the next video as well. Let's get started. We have all heard about a cleansing, toning and moisturizing routine. So let's start with a good cleanser. So my favorite cleanser here is, this is a Daily Duet hydrating cleanser from the house of Foxtail. The best thing about this cleanser that it has the quality of removing makeup as well as everyday gunk. So we all have heard a lot about double cleansing, which I totally believe is the best thing you can do for your skin. क्योंकि एक बार मुंह धोने से मुझे नहीं लगता सोप से कि सारी impurities निकल जाती है. You need something oil infused in your cleanser so that every gunk and dirt and lots of makeup or the layers of sunscreen should get dissolved and get out of your skin, right? So this thing does it and I totally recommend it. बहुत लोगों को लगता है कि हम जब फेस वॉश करते हैं अगर वो बहुत ड्राई फील होता है तो ही वो एक स्क्वीकी क्लीन कंडीशन होता है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. We should not let the natural skin oil get out of our system, right? So ये उस चीज को rip off नहीं करता है. Next comes toner or essence. So I am using this particular essence. This is a Korean brand, Beauty of Joseon, and this is a ginseng essence water. Ginseng is considered as a holy grail in Korean skincare market, and I totally love Korean brands because they are extremely amazing, very soothing to the skin. So this really works. So मैंने इसका छोटा साइज, मैं हमेशा छोटा साइज लेती हूँ because I truly believe in finishing a product and then buying something. बड़े साइजेस में क्या होता है, कभी कभी वो रह जाता है and उसकी expiry date आ जाती है. So even with for makeup or for any skincare, I usually go for a small size so that I finish it off soon and then proceed to buying a new one. So ये कुछ नहीं है, ये आपको सिर्फ हाथ में इसके few drops लेने and just pat it on your face. It's been 10 days I'm using this and इसका इतना सा ही खत्म हुआ, if you see the amount which is finished. So these are the kind of products which give you full duty results without a lot of hole in your pocket. So this does that. And post The essence is my very favorite thing, that is vitamin C. I love vitamin C, and it has actually done a great job on my skin. The pores are logged, the suntan is gone, so everything is good. So recently I received this tester packet from the House of Lancome, and this is Advanced Genific. This is an absolutely stunning product. It has vitamin C, niacinamide, and all the good ceramides. So this is like a one amazing product. This is a tester size. इसका एक बड़ा bottle है, and I was using it from past 10 days. You need a very small quantity, and it just gets absorbed in your skin. It is beautiful. The texture is super soft, and I might end up buying the big bottle because I truly fell in love with this one. So the point is you should save time. आपका स्किन केयर रूटीन इतना हेक्टिक नहीं होना चाहिए कि आप ये भी लगा रहे हो, ये भी लगा रहे हो, ये भी लगा रहे हो, क्योंकि बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि हमें जल्दी कहीं जाना होता है and we don't want to spend a lot of time on skincare. So if you get product like this which has infused of all these good stuff, then it saves a lot of time, right? So if not talking about this one, my go-to vitamin C is this one. This is Plantain and vitamin C 15%. So 15% से ज़्यादा लेने की आपको ज़रूरत नहीं होती. 10 to 15% great purchase of a vitamin C, and I'm using this from a very long time. I keep restocking it because ये मुझे बहुत suit करता है. It is very soothing. Sometimes vitamin C doesn't suit a lot of people and उनको breakouts हो जाते हैं. It all depends on how you're starting your skincare routine. हमेशा कोई भी एक्टिव हम अपने स्किन केयर में इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं तो यू नीड टू गिव इट टाइम कि एवरी डे आप लगाने लग जाओ. पहले आपको वीकली वंस लगाना चाहिए. लेट इट गेट नोटिस बाय योर स्किन कि ये क्या न्यू चीज़ इंट्रोड्यूस हुई है. देन ट्वाइस अ वीक, देन वीक बाय वीक, थ्राइस अ वीक. ऐसा नहीं कि आप एकदम से उसको लगाने लग जाओ, तब जाके वो ब्रेकआउट्स होते हैं. बिकॉज दीज एसिड्स आर स्ट्रॉन्ग फॉर योर स्किन एंड इट टेक्स टाइम टू अंडरस्टैंड कि हो क्या रहा है हमारे साथ. So that's why the breakouts happen. So we did the cleansing part, we did the essence part, we did the vitamin C serum part, right? Abhi face pe to serum laga liya. What about my eyes? So the eyes have the most, a thin skin, so you need extra attention and love for your eyes. So uske liye aap kya karoge? I definitely use this one. So this is Glycolic Bright. It has 3% glycolic acid, niacinamide, and vitamin C. It has everything which you need for your eyes to look brighter and beautiful. And I'm using this from a long time. It does work. I love this one. So कोई भी चीज़ को उसके रिजल्ट दिखने में टाइम लगता है. ये नहीं कि आप 2 दिन लगाओगे और बोलोगे काम नहीं करता. You need at least 15 to 1 month to see the result of a particular product. And this, I'm using it from 2 months. This is really beautiful. So just for the eyes. Now usually I don't put a moisturizer on my face because बहुत oily हो जाता है. I'm living in Northeast. It's too humid for me. But if you're living in places like Bangalore or any hilly area where the weather is very beautiful, it is dry, it's not humid, तो आप एक moisturizer लगा सकते हो and later you can put a sunscreen. So once I finish with my cleansing, essence, serum, I directly jump to sunscreen because that is enough. So I have 2 sunscreen recommendations from my end. One is the Dermafix Shadow SPF 50 gel. It is this is like my 10th product, like 10th tube. ये इतना अच्छा, it's like a gel. It seeps into your skin. आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि आपने कुछ लगाया है अपने, and it doesn't clog my pores. It makes my skin glow. It's just too good. So ये मैं अपनी बेटी को भी लगाती हूँ. वो स्कूल जाती है तो I put sunscreen on her as well, hands में, face में. This has done magic on her as well. So this is the one. And then you have Deconstruct ka gel sunscreen. So this again does the same work. It also seeps into the skin. It is gel and it doesn't feel oily at all. So people who doesn't love that oily chip-chipapan of sunscreen, you should definitely go for these 2. I link them and these are like the life saviors and they're super amazing. So that was my morning skincare routine, and I absolutely adore the fact that my skin has turned up really well because of all these skincare. Now jumping into my nighttime skincare routine. One more thing I tend to apply is post my vitamin C. I do it like alternate days, that is to apply a this is multi-peptide 10% from the House of the Minimalist, and this makes your skin super supple, super soft. It has all the nourishing agent. It keeps the hydration on point and your skin is just amazing. after this. So it is like face wash करा, फिर मैंने essence लगाया, vitamin C लगाया. उसके बाद जब vitamin C थोड़ा सा अंदर चला जाता है, it's little dry down, I put the peptide and it. मैं इसको रोज नहीं लगाती, वीकली थ्राइस लाइक ऑल्टरनेट, एंड इट इज अमेजिंग. एंड इसके बाद मैं सनस्क्रीन लगा लेती हूँ. एंड वन मोर थिंग विच आई फॉरगॉट टू टेल यू, बॉडी सनस्क्रीन. सो आई एम अ बिग सनस्क्रीन फैन. तो ये मैं अपने हाथों में, गले में आई अप्लाई दिस. आई डोंट अप्लाई एनी बॉडी लोशन, आई जस्ट अप्लाई दिस. दिस इज द विश केयर सनस्क्रीन बॉडी लोशन. So this is SPF 50 and it really helps you. So those people who think ki sunscreen kyun lagana, even if you're at home, through the windows the UVA UVB rays comes in and you need to protect your skin. So this does the job. Now the nighttime routine. So again we start with a great cleanser. This is the one. Even I use the Cetaphil one. वो मेरे washroom में है, मैं लेके नहीं आई. तो either I'm using the Foxtail one or I'm using the Cetaphil one. You know, this is amazing. उसके बाद again we use the essence, and this is again the same, the ginseng essence water from the house of Beauty of Joseon. इसके बाद eyes में again I put the glycolic bright L'Oreal का. मैंने सब चीज़ आपको पहले अपने डे केयर में मेंशन कर दिया है. अब इस चीज़ के होने के बाद comes retinol. So I apply retinol. Retinol is considered as a holy grail for anti-aging. So I'm using this. This is from the house of Deconstruct Retinol and Peptide Serum. It has peptides, so again it makes your skin super supple and beautiful. So this is one of the best things you can invest in. This is 0.2% retinol and 1% peptide, so it is a good one. ये भी खत्म होने वाला है, इसको भी मैंने restock करा हुआ है. तो you can also include retinol in your skincare journey if you are on the verge of this anti-aging वाला जो हमारा age group होता है. Plus retinol जब भी आप लगाओ, रात में लगाओ, क्योंकि this is light sensitive. It should not be used in the hours, right? This is the one. अब retinol लगा लिया, उसके बाद what I do, I put a moisturizer. So this is one of my most favorite moisturizer. It's over now. So this is Dot & Key Night Reset Retinol plus Ceramide Sleep Treatment Cream. So this has a beautiful texture. I'm using this from a long time. अभी मुझे नया लेना है, तो मैंने एक new product लिया. I'll show you that one also. But I love this one. My mom also used this one. So जब आप सुबह उठते हो, your skin just feels so amazing. So it has retinol, it has ceramide, it has everything your skin needs. So make sure that you invest in this one. Retinol cream खत्म हो रहा था. So what I thought, I'll buy something new. So I got this from the house of Dermaco. Skin Renew by Dr. V. She, I think, is the founder of this one, or there is a collab between these two. She's an amazing dermatologist. So this is Skin Renew Peptide Retinol Serum Cream. Very similar to this one. This had retinol and ceramide. This one is going to have retinol and peptides. So peptides and ceramides are great skin barrier expertise, and they help your skin to repair and have a great barrier from external issues. So I will use this and let you know how it turned out to be. So मैंने इसको खोला नहीं. I just thought of showing you guys क्योंकि ये तो खत्म ही हो गया. But if you ask me, a great night cream, this is the budget friendly amazing night cream. This comes around 600 something and it is too good to be true. It is the one amazing product. So that was my nighttime skincare routine. I moisturize my body as well before sleeping, hands, and whatever products I've used on my skin, I always use it on my hand because your hands are also a very thin skin and it shows the sign of aging very fast, just like your skin. So जो आप अपने face पे लगाते हो वो सारा routine आप अपने hands पे भी लगा सकते हो. So that is one tip from my end. And always use a good sunscreen. It beats all. अगर आप जितना भी skin care कर लो but sunscreen नहीं लगाओ, it's all vain. It's not going to work on your skin. Okay guys, so that was it from my end. I'll see you in my next video. That would be a hair care routine of mine, and that is also super interesting if you really want to know. Bye bye. See you. Stay elegant and stay stylish. And if you're not subscribed, do subscribe. That will help me to grow better. And don't miss out on my hair care routine. Bye bye.